Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to resolve this problem. Fail to install the extension pack. So fail to load the main module. So I think this is because of version mismatching. So I'm going to give OK. This is version extension pack is 6.1.4. So I'm going to remove it. OK. And I'm going to check that version of VirtualBox. It's a 6.0.18. So I need to download according to this versions of extension pack. So 6.018. Go to this VirtualBox sections and click on this downloads. When you download right, just scroll down. You can see this. You can see this options VirtualBox older builds. Just click on this. So here I need to choose VirtualBox 6.0. This is 6.0.18 is the latest. 6.0.18 is found, and I need to click on this extensions pack. Click on this extensions pack. It's 32.2 MB. It's need to download. Cool. This download is completed. I'm going to VirtualBox. Going to File. Click on this Preferences, and need to come to Extensions. Here I need to install it. Click on this Add button, 6.0.18. So I'm choosing that right file, install it. So I agree. This time it should install successfully. See, the extension pack, Oracle VM Virtual Extension Pack was installed successfully. Wow, cool, super cool. That's it. This is the way you can fix the issue on VirtualBox. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my forms. Thank you. Bye.